Welcome to the BD Qtopia video editing tutorial. Today I will show how to create a cinematic text intro using CapCut. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on upcoming tutorials and more. Add a default text to the timeline. Change the text. Select bold type font and increase the size of the text. Position the text at the center of the screen. Go to the Animation tab. Select Animation Type Dissolve Down. Increase the duration of the animation. I have set 2 seconds. I have increased the duration of the text to 5 seconds. Export the video. Remove the text from the timeline and import the exported video. Add a video to the timeline. Add the animated text video to the timeline. Set the same duration for both videos. Select the text video. Change the blend mode to multiply. Decrease the opacity value. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.